Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to take you through a short, sharp but very effective sequence that will help to alleviate lower back pain. Now all you need for this workout is your mat, so let's get started. So now bringing that left leg in towards you, we're going to interlace the fingers behind the thigh. Bring the knee in so that if it was to keep coming in, it would touch the shoulder. Your heel is very slightly turned in, okay, and the toe that just turned out. Now your abdominal wall is pulled in towards the spine, shoulders down, neck long. We're going to extend that leg as we keep hugging it in towards us, reaching nice and long, and then bend back through the knee. Just go to where you can, just extend until you feel that nice stretch through the back of the leg, and inhale to bend. Let's do 8 more like this. Breathe out 8, really stretching and reaching and lengthening. Now keep your tailbone connected to the ground. Make sure your pelvis doesn't move out of neutral. Stretch. 6 to go. 6. And bend. Let's do 5 more. Really reach and lengthen. Keep hugging that thigh in towards you. And then bend. Good. Just 4 more. 4. And bend. 3 to go. 3. 2 more, feel the stretch. And on this last one, we're going to hold the stretch, reach nice and long, so you can stay here if you'd like and do the exercise from here. Otherwise, if you can, stretch your leg longer, you can reach up higher. Now we're going to hold that stretch and we're going to point through the toes and then flex and push through the heel. Plantar flexion and dorsiflexion of the ankle. Good. 3. And flex. 7 to go. 7. Feeling that beautiful stretch through the back of the leg as you flex the foot. Flexing back and feeling it run right down all the way through the hamstring, through the calves, through the Achilles tendon. 4 more. 4. And 3. Just 2 more. And reach. 1 last time. Now from here, you're going to bend that knee. You're going to extend your right leg out nice and long. Now your left arm is going to come out for support and stability. Your right hand comes to the outside of the left knee. Now very gently and with control, keeping your shoulders down, just go to where you can, keeping those shoulders down and on the ground. If you can, just reaching all the way over, stretching and releasing. You can come all the way down to the mat if you can. Otherwise, just holding it just up to where you feel comfortable. Rotating, stretching and releasing. Keeping both shoulders down, keeping the neck long, keeping those abs pulled in tight to prevent arching through the back. It's all about that rotation. Breathe into the stretch. Every time you exhale, just relaxing a little bit deeper and stretching that a little bit more. Now when you're ready, very gently come back to the center and you're going to cross that leg over the opposite leg, just above the ankle. Press your knee away, open up through the hip, externally rotating. The abdominals stay pulled in as you draw the legs in towards you, reaching through to where you can, stretching and lengthening. You can pull the heel down closer towards your hip for a deeper stretch. Make sure the foot stays flexed. Stretching and releasing, pressing your elbow into your thigh to open up and stretch. With every exhalation, you're drawing those legs in deeper towards you and just stretching it a little bit longer. And then when you're ready, release that stretch. Just gently hug the knees back in towards the chest. This short snippet is a small excerpt from our latest rehabilitation series back pain workout. You can check out the full-length version of this workout over on our online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have over 500 more full-length, real-time workout routines waiting for you, including equipment and non-equipment, reformer sessions, challenges, programs, PBL live 45 to 60 minute studio sessions and so much more. Check it out with our free 10-day trial. I can't wait to see you on the mat.